Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Today's razor review, the Shave Nation Chubby Closed Comb Flat Bar Safety Razor. It comes in 3 different finishes: polished chrome, satin chrome, or black. Your choice. Excellent looking razor, substantial handle, very comfortable to grip. I will say no more. I'll give you the specs and whatnot, and then we'll get right to the shave. Here's a look at the Shave Nation Chubby Closed Comb Safety Razor. It comes in 3 different finishes: polished chrome, satin chrome, and black. Here's a look at the black. Here's the satin chrome. And here's the polished chrome. We'll use the polished chrome for our example. It's a stainless steel handle with a high quality chrome plated head. It's highly polished. You can see that the handle is smooth up on top, and then it's got checkered knurling, very easy to grip, and a smooth band here, and then 2 smaller smooth bands down toward the bottom. It's blank on the bottom of the handle. Let's disassemble the razor. Unscrew counterclockwise. Remove the top cap and the safety bar. It has Shave Nation laser etched into the head. Top cap, safety bar. This razor comes with a Shave Nation blade sampler, which includes 1 blade each of Astra, Shark, Derby, Feather, and Gillette. Let's install a feather blade. Drop it right over the post and the 2 pins, like so. Reassemble top cap to safety bar, and then you can see that the circle here is the perfect size to accept the top portion of the handle so that it locks down and secures the blade firmly in place. Here's a look at it from the underside. Check the blade reveal. It's even on both sides, with a very slight bit of overhang on the outside ends of the razor. Not much at all. The handle is quite substantial and much thicker than most other razors, and feels very comfortable in the hand. It's very easy to rest the base in the palm of your hand and spin it while you're shaving. This is a razor you'll be very happy to give or receive as a gift, and it will provide a very close, comfortable shave. And the giftee will think of you every time they pick it up to shave with it. The specs on this razor: it weighs in at 5.7 ounces or 162 grams. The overall length from top to bottom is 3.3 inches or 85 millimeters. The black version is actually just a tad heavier than the other 2. The Shave Nation Chubby Closed Comb Double-Edged Safety Razor. This will quickly become your new favorite razor. The perfect choice for those who prefer a more substantial razor. This razor features excellent balance and weight and gives a close quality shave. Safety razors come closest to replicating the amazing shaving experience of a straight razor used in a traditional barber shop. The closed comb head is expertly engineered and is finished with high quality chrome plating. Shave Nation is laser etched onto the head. The heavyweight stainless steel chubby handle is shaped for ultimate comfort in the hand. Checkered knurling for superior grip. You will be proud to pick this razor up and shave with it, and you will be supremely impressed with the result. Includes 1 of each of the following blades: Astra, Shark, Derby, Feather, Gillette. Let's go see how it shaves. The participants today will be George F. Trumper Spanish Leather Shaving Cream. It's going to be kind of a red shave today. Espanol shave. And the Hot Lava, the Shave Nation Hot Lava Fine Badger Shaving Brush. Beautiful handle. Nice soft tips. Feels great on the face. Not too lofty so it doesn't splay out. It stays nice and firm. And we'll lather up the Spanish Leather in the Shave Nation Ceramic Shaving Bowl. We'll fill up that lather spot down there at the bottom. We'll finish up with the Shave Nation Wide Stick Alum Block, and then layering up over the Spanish Leather Shaving Cream is the Spanish Leather Cologne. George F. Trumper again. All go nicely together. And the sharpest blade out there, the beast of blades, loaded in the Shave Nation razor, the feather blade. All right, I've got some decent beardage here, so we can take this razor for a test drive and see how well it does. I'll fill up my marble cup with some hot water and we'll drop the brush right in. Here's what it looks like when it's dry. It's really a nice, shiny, gleaming, hot lava red handle. Beautiful handle. Drop it right in. You can hear the bubbles soaking up. That's what it looks like when it's wet, fully saturated. Let that soak for a minute. Now I'll warm up the Shave Nation bowl as well. It's stoneware, so it will retain some heat. Pop the cap on the Spanish leather. Squirt some down in the lather spot right at the bottom here. About that much. Just fill up the spot. Let's remove the brush from the cup. Shake out the bulk of the water. We'll go right into the bowl, see if we can mix a lather. Just push the tips right down into that lather spot. Oh, that smells good. You know who would be proud right now? Ricardo Montalban. This smells like fine Corinthian leather. Look at that. The lather comes right up the sides. Just scoop it around, right back in. Less than 30 seconds. Look at that. Beautiful. Lots of lather right there. Smells wonderful. Look at that. Very nice. Tons of lather. We could have a lather party today. Okay, let's set that down. I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. Whoa, baby. My face is good and hot. You want to warm up that beard and soften it? All right, let's pick up our brush and bowl. Plenty of lather on here for several passes. Start lathering up from the right side. Work over from the right to the left. Mustache. It's a nice, dense, tight knot. You can really direct this lather exactly where you want it to go. Nice soft tips, very comfortable on the face. Drive that lather right into the beard. Soften those whiskers, elevate them. Little figure eight, smooth everything out. What happens now? Clear the runways so we can see those sideburns. Dry the fingers before you pick up your razor. Here we go, the Shave Nation Chubby Closed Comb Safety Razor. Let's see how it performs. Let's temper it under the hot water. Just warm it up a bit so it's nice and warm when we apply it to the face. Let's cut the sideburn. We'll start perpendicular. Just tilt slightly out with the handle. Work our way down. Very nice. Removes my heavy beard growth, no problem. Both sides are filled with stubble. Let's rinse that. Now right down the neckline. Beautiful. Okay, let's rinse that off. Now the left side, same way, perpendicular, tilt the handle slightly out. Cut that sideburn. Good audible feedback too, you can hear that razor working. Let's flip it over, down the neckline. Excellent. Rinse that off. The mustache area, just scoop right under the nose. The head is compact enough where you can get right under there. Very good. Let's rinse that. Now after the first pass, if you're smooth enough, feel around. If you're smooth enough, you're good to go. You can stop. But I'll do one more pass just so I can get baby smooth. I'll show you how to go across the grain. Just a quick rinse, and we'll pick up our brush and bowl. Still tons of lather here. And apply. Here's where the shaving cream goes on nice and cool because most of the beardage has already been eliminated. So you just have the cream right on the skin. Feels really nice and cool. Feels great. The best part of the shave is that zen moment when you brush on your shaving cream. Very relaxing and enjoyable. Clear the runways again. Okay, that first pass was with the grain north to south. Now we'll go from the bottom up against the grain on the neck. Let's rinse that. Very hefty, very heavy. Here's a look at it next to a 34C. You can see the noticeable size difference in the handle. The handle's at least twice as thick. So if you want a more substantial razor, this is it. Now across the grain from ear to nose. Very comfortable shaving. You feel like you can't nick yourself with this razor. Now back the other way. Clean the cleft. Rinse that. Now under the nose, just go with the corner directly under the nose and clean that out. And then lay it flat and go across. The flatter you can get your skin, the better your shave will be. Oh, that's beautiful. Very nice. Let's rinse the razor. Now you can perform another pass against the grain, but I don't feel that I need it. I'm so nice and smooth right now. A final rinse with hot, then cold water. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick alum block, remove the cap, saturate it under cold water, and glide that all around the areas you shaved. Excellent finish to the shave right here. If you happen to get any small micro nicks or weepers, this will seal them off right away. Feels very cool. It's also an antiseptic. This will tighten the skin, close the pores. Great finish to the shave. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Let's apply some Spanish leather cologne. Pop the cap, a few drops, activate the ingredients. Beautiful, smells fantastic. Very nice. Just a little bit of burn, not too much. Enough for a good wake-up call in the morning. All right, check it out. You can see I went from heavy beard growth, 2 passes, removed it, no problem whatsoever. Cheeks, nice and smooth, neck, chin, everything. Here's a final look at the razor, the Shave Nation Closed Comb Chubby Safety Razor. You saw it, it eliminated my beard growth effortlessly, no problem whatsoever. Very smooth shaving. Feel like you can't nick yourself with this razor? This will be a great razor for everyday shaving, every other day shaving, or if you want to go 3 or 4 days in between like I did, it'll handle that too. If you want to pick up this razor or any of these other items in the video, just click down below where it says show more and you can grab them right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box and it'll pop right up. Do me a favor before I head out, click that subscribe button down there and then click the bell up there and then click all so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. I greatly appreciate that. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. great shave. Have a great day.